I'm going to try to do this video without doing much coughing. I've been fighting a cold. I kind of lost my voice. I've had this box for a week, trying to get my voice back, and apparently it's wanting to work a lot better this morning. So we're going to try to get to the video. Yeah. Just bear with me. Alright, welcome back to the channel, and this is BATTLBOX. BATTLBOX for November 2022. Get this thing ripped open here. See what we got in it. And I'm gonna pull the little pamphlet book out here. This is mission brief. Oh, excuse me. Told you. My voice is pretty sick. Anyway, sorry about that. Mission brief. This is 93, November 2023. Pretty cool little book that they send out that's got all the stuff in it. Man, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this video or not. Everything that's in this box. Now, they've got 4 level of boxes. They've got the basic box, the advanced box, which is the box I've got. Then they got the Pro box. And then they got the Pro Plus box. The higher up in boxes you go, the more your box costs a month. Now, you can subscribe, unsubscribe at any time. You can get 1 box and then unsubscribe if you want. First thing coming out is out of this box. It's a $22 item, and it's made in the USA, 100%. It's called Axe Wax. I said Axe Wax. A little can, made in Ashland, Oregon. Beware of imitations, Axe Wax. And apply to warm wood, metal, or leather. This handmade wax blend contains only the finest, all natural, and food safe ingredients. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay, dummy me. The lid don't pop off like shoe polish. It unscrews. Okay. Don't really have an odor to it. But this is a 100% all-natural, food-safe wood finish. This handmade paste wax is ideal for knife and axe handles. Works equally well to prevent rust from developing on the blade. So if you got some nice knives or axes, you can treat your cutting tools with this. You can use it on boots, blades, tarp seams, and even untreated canvas. So, it says let it absorb for 10-15 minutes, then wipe off the excess with a clean, dry rag. So, Axe Wax. Got a $22 item, and they do have a website, axewax.us. So, see the website down here at the bottom. It's not .com, it's .us. By the way, maybe .com was already taken. Next thing, this is from My Medic. My Medic puts things in the battle boxes every once in a while. It's usually some kind of medical material, whether it's gauze or pads or something. That's what this looks like. It's a My Medic Hiker Medic Med Pack. Hiker Med Pack. And it's a little pack that you carry in your backpack. This would fit. This is small enough to fit in a fanny pack if you wanted to. but it looks like it's got paracord in here. I'm just going to read here some. It's got 2 things of sunburn, 2 things of lip balm, 2 things of gel burn, 2 alcohol wipes, 4 fabric bandages, 1 3 inches, 2 bandages, 2 to 4. It's got gauze. It's got a whistle, electrolytes, sting and bite relief, emergency blanket, 20 foot of 550 cord, paracord. Got some ibuprofen, Benadryl, and water purification tablet. It's got a lot in it for a little bitty bag. And this is about $28 medic bag. Pretty cool. Carry that in your glove box. Like I say, in your backpack, briefcase, work bag. Next coming out is a 6-inch. I can't even pronounce this. It's basically a big ferro rod, I think. It's got a leather strap. It's got the striker tool. And it does have a little hex key thing there. There's your striker to yeah, I'm getting some sparks out there. I'm going to butcher the name of this company, I guess, probably. I'm going to do my best to pronounce it. It's Uberleben Hexa 6 fire starter. I know I butchered that. I'm sorry. Sorry for that. But that's I guess a 6-inch long ferro rod. Striker tool. Carry that in your go bag. And like I said, it's not paracord. It's got a leather strap to it. That's a $32 paracord. Paracord. A $32 ferro rod, basically. All right, that was 3 items in the basic box. So if you'd gotten the basic box, these were the 3 items that you would have got. The advanced box. They added a $48 item to the advanced box. And this is from the same company that has this ferro rod. Let's see, I don't know how to pronounce this. The U has the 2 dots above it, so I don't know, are you supposed to pronounce the U or not? Burley bin. But anyway, this is a stainless stoker flat pack stove plus wax canvas sleeve. I've got one of these. It's, I don't believe from this company, I don't think. Works really, really well. And it's flat, holds up nice. And it's great for backpacking, camping. But this is the size of the bag. I mean, my hand is, you can see, my hand is about as tall as that bag, about as wide. It's a pretty heavy canvas bag with Velcro. And I'm not going to light a fire with this thing, but let's see if I can set this up real quick for you. Alright, I got the little thing put together. It's kind of like a little puzzle. You put your pot or your cup up there. It's got the hole to feed kindling in here to heat up. It does have a bottom in it with holes for it to draw air. These things really do put out a lot of heat with very little burning material. Doesn't take a lot of fuel. But this is it. That's how big it folds up, and oops, falls off. That's how big it sets up. but they are great. So if you do a lot of backpacking and maybe you work in the outdoors, want a way to heat up coffee, this would be something really good to carry in a work bag. If you're out cutting wood, whatever. Folds up, comes apart pretty easy. Once you put it together once, probably goes together the next time a lot easier. But anyway, that's a $48 item, which is pretty cool. Now, if you'd got the Pro Plus box this month, you would have got the mountain bonded scatchet. You can use it for a little hatchet, or I guess like a skinning knife. And it's a $80 item, and that's what the knife looks like right there. Comes with the holster, belt holster. And if you'd have got the Pro Plus box, you would have got a knife from Holtzman. It's a guerrilla survival knife. That shows a $90 price tag on it, but that's it right there. Now, if you haven't watched the show Southern Survival on Netflix, they're the guys from BATTLBOX. They have a pretty good show testing out EDC survival type gear. Some of this gear that you might have seen somewhere in a store, and a lot of it is stuff from new companies, new things. So check them out on Netflix. It's a pretty good show. We got a sticker from that Axe Wax. There's a sticker, a pretty cool sticker. But you can get if you want to subscribe and get your own BATTLBOX, get a 20% discount by using the promo code BATTLBOX20. And I will show you the link for that right there. It's BATTLBOX20. Anyway, I'm Redneck in a Hat. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to try to get my voice a little better for next video. We got a tack pack will be coming up here shortly. Catch you on the next video. Later.